Good afternoon, everybody. It's Rich and Katie down along the river, Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today what we're going to do for you is we're going to show you how to smoke a cowboy style ribeye on the pit barrel cooker. Now, you know, I was sent this cowboy style with the bone ribeye steak from Duke's Premium Meats, Houston, Texas. Check him out. I'll leave his link in the description box. Hit show more. They've been in business for over 77 years, and they pride themselves on delivering some of the best beef above choice, prime, Texas, I think it's Angus, and American Wagyu. So give them a check out. Duke's Premium Meats. Give the Duke and Miss Bernadette a look-see. So guys, we're going to show you how we're going to season this with some Rich's River Dirt all-purpose and hot and spicy rub. So we're going to get that rubbed up, and we'll see you at the pit barrel cooker when we put that steak on. All right, guys, look at this ribeye. I got a little aluminum foil on there for a little presentation. And what it is I ended up incorporating all of our rubs on this. And when I get this on the pit barrel, which we're going to do right now, I'll get back to you, and we have other plans for this steak, so I'll go ahead and I'll get back with you. Let's put this thing on the pit barrel. All right, guys, so we got a little bit of hickory wood on there. We're going to go ahead and just lay that steak in there like that, and we are going to insert our excuse me for a second. We're going to insert it into our steak. Put this back in there. And we're going to close this up. We'll hit you back when we hit like 112. We'll check on it. How my hair look? All right, guys, look. I told you I'd get back to you. What we're going to do is we're going to get a little polish on you. I have, like I say, I have that bone-in cowboy style ribeye from Duke's Premium Meats. So we have it on the pit barrel. We're going to get to 125, and then what we have is we have a cast iron skillet we're going to put on the pit barrel. Leave that cast iron get smoking hot, because I want a good sear on this steak. Because when we're done, and while this steak is resting, we're going to whip up a ginger teriyaki sauce that's going to just set this steak over the top. We're getting posh on you. We're getting fancy. But I'm telling you, this is full of flavor. Check it out. All the stuff will be in the description box to show more of the recipe, what we used. So we're almost at 112. I'll hit you back when we hit 112 when we put this cast iron skillet on. Stick with us. All right, guys, we're back, and we reached 112 degrees on the pit barrel cooker and our BlueDot, Thermaworks BlueDot. And we're going to get this steak off of here. All right, guys, we are back, and let's get our probe out of here. Look at this steak. Ooh, wow. Whoo-wee. You guys can see that. Look at that. That looks good. All right, so now we're gonna put that on to rest, right? Okay. And we have our old trusty dusty cast iron skillet. We're gonna leave that sitting there and get smoking hot, and we're gonna put our steak on. Stick with us. Guys, look at that color while we're waiting for that cast iron skillet to heat up. Look at that color. Whew. Tell you what we did is we put hot and spicy on the bottom. We come over top and the bottom was sweet, and we put the all-purpose around the edges. I forgot to tell you that. So, we're gonna hit that cast iron. All right, guys, our cast iron pan is hot. Just until that sizzle. So we're gonna leave that thing sit in that pan for probably a good 6 minutes aside or so. We'll hit you back when we hit about 140. So we'll see you then. All right, guys, we're back. Let's probe this thing. We're at 148, 149. We're gonna pull this thing off. and we're gonna let it rest. And we're gonna make our sauce. All right, guys, while our steak is resting, we are going to take and make our ginger teriyaki sauce. So we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna bring this to a slight boil eventually. 1/3 cup of water. 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil of your brand. And 3 tablespoons of your brand of brown sugar. There's 1, and we're gonna put 2 more. All right, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. A tablespoon of ground ginger. If you have fresh grated ginger, I would suggest you use that, but if you don't have that, this is a good substitute. All right, guys, we got all of our ingredients in here. We're gonna bring this to a stir. We're gonna bring this to a slight boil, and we will get back to you. It smells awesome. All right, guys, our sauce is to a boil. We're gonna add our cornstarch mixture, which is 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, or water to a tablespoon of cornstarch. We got that in there. Now we're gonna let this stuff, we're gonna turn it down and thicken it up. All right, guys, we got that awesome looking cowboy style ribeye on the cutting board. We got our sauce made. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. All right, guys, here's our steak. Let's go ahead and, I'm gonna cut it off the bone, but let's go ahead and get in here. Leave that right there for presentation. Let's go ahead and slice this thing up. That looks good.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good.
All right. All right, guys, we got our steak cut up, and as you can see, it was an uneven cook. We have a well done in here. It's a little off, but that's what it is. So we are going to get our sauce and get this thing ready to go. I'll tell you what, this thing smells phenomenal, doesn't it, babe?
Yeah, it does. It smells really good.
All right, needs I guess we're going to drizzle it over with the pan.
Oh, do you want me to get it?
Yeah. We'll just take and drizzle it ever so slightly. There you go. And for a little greenery, little green onions on top there. And we'll see you back with the plated up finished product. You've seen the pictures. You can hit me up with the overdone comments if you want. It's up to you. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into the middle of this steak right here. I want a little bit of green onion on it. Just a little bit there. So, man, it smells good.
Yeah, it does. It smells really good.
So. All right there. Look at the color. Got the little smoke ring from that hickory. This ought to be great. Let's get a taste test. All right, guys. Let's give this thing a taste test. Oh, wow. The ginger teriyaki sauce adds another dimension to it. It is awesome. Give us a try. Remember, go see DukesPremiumMeats.com and he'll send you a nice cut of meat. That's awesome flavor beef. Oh, wow. I'm mouth-watering. So, guys, all the information will be in the description box. Hit show more. Check this recipe out. Make it for your girlfriend and your wife on another Valentine's Day dinner. So, guys, share with your friends and family. And when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.